I just gotta tell everybody. I don't wanna keep it on the low. Goddamn, I love I love goddamn, I love I love.
Hi guys, good morning. Today is the day, but still you will find out later. I will just get ready, guys. Then I will update you later. Bye bye. Hi guys. So I am heading to the room of my friend. Kasi nandoon na sila. Pupuntahan ko sila doon. Wait guys. So, meron kaming rehearsal ngayon. I'm pretty sure alam niyo na kung anong gagawin. Ayan, may dala akong sandal. I'm here. Good morning. Recruit. Recruit. Girl, gusto ko girl, magpa-photoshoot sa'yo girl. Ay, hindi na pala yung Tagalog. Okay, hindi man yan. Pero, baka yung... But I want it like, I'm wearing my clothes, my outfit already.
Yeah, she can do it later. It's just like
maybe later.
And we're gonna be there. We're gonna be there anyway because we're gonna watch that.
So I'm gonna do my makeup now. Actually, merong makeup artist sa baba, but I just prefer to do my makeup kasi ang taas ng pila. So, ayoko nang pumila doon sa baba. Ako na lang mag-makeup. Right, love? Why not? Going now? You're going now? Sige na, go na. Guys, yan yung eyes natin. Mag-iisang oras na ako, hindi ko pa talaga yung lashes ko. So, yeah, we're almost done. Hi guys, this is my final look. Look at the earrings. I see you later. I think no camera allowed there. So, yeah. Bye-bye! Look at my ID. Right there, already.
That I could cough out my emotions in a healthy manner and just become the right person that actually matters. And every day I drive my car to my little job, find some peace in the stations that I throw on. But I wish there was a song with your name as the title. Oh yeah, I wish there
melt the ice behind my stone cold eyes. I turn to ashes, but only just sometimes. Inhale your smoke, but you still act surprised. It's not my fault when we end up capsized. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you. Can you hear a thing? 'Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Want you to feel the way I feel inside. I'm reaching out for help, you got me in a riptide. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you, can you hear a thing? Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain.
Hi to my ever supportive love. Thank you, love. Ang lamig, guys, grabe. Oh my gosh, kararating lang namin dito sa hotel. Ang lamig, as in. Katatapos lang ng show. And then, pumunta kami dun sa Times Square kasi inabangan namin yung billboard. And then, after nun, grabe ang snow. As in, grabe ang lamig, guys. Nairaos ko yung makeup ko, guys. Look at my earrings. Ayan. Mag-dress up muna ako, tapos mag-change na ako kasi pagod na talaga ako. Alam ko, yung vlog ko, ang gulo-gulo. Kanina kasi, hindi pwedeng magdala ng phone. And then, yung camera, hindi ko din siya pwedeng i-risk na dalhin. Kaya, iniwan ko yung camera na to. Si Marsh lang nagdala. Tapos, doon siya sa, nanood siya ng runway kanina. Alam niyo naman, si Marsh, hindi man siya marunong mag-video. So, tingnan niyo na lang kung ano yung kalabasan ng video niya. Pagod na pagod ang katawang lupa ko, dahil. Pagod na talaga ako. Kanina nag-snow sa labas and nag-picture-picture pa kami doon. Wait lang. Barin ko muna. Ayan muna kayo, guys. Ha, ayusin ko muna yung mukha ko kasi, oh my gosh. Kukunin ko lang yung mata ko. Kasi gusto ko nang ipahinga yung eyes ko. As in, sobrang pagod ako talaga. Grabe, yung paa ko, hindi ko na siya ma-step. It's all worth it. It's worth it. Super worth it. Ang ganda ng fashion show namin today. Ang ganda ng runway. At ang bait pa ng CEO. Ang bait ni Miss G. Super down to earth. Thank you so much, Steadfast. Thank you so much, Miss G. Bago kong best friend. Feeling close. Thank you so much, guys. It's such a wonderful experience and it's a pleasure. And yeah, I'm so thankful and I'm so grateful. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Finally, natanggal na rin kita. And my last piece. Napahinga ko na din ang aking ears. Kasi ang bigat. Ayan, super nice. Handmade earrings. Guys, I'm back to myself. Finally, nakaligo na ako. And nakapag-skincare na ako. Pero meron pa rin akong black eye. Kasi super stay yung ginamit kong eyeliner. And ayan, hindi talaga siya matanggal. Kaya para akong may black eye. Anyways, I'm so tired talaga. As in, sobra. Kaya, yan. Gonna end up this video, guys. Kasi kita nyo ang gulo-gulo ng room namin. Lilinisin ko pa yan. So, I'm gonna end up this video, guys. Patulugin nyo na ako. Thank you again for watching. And I hope to see you on my next video. Thank you, guys. Bye! Gracias!